like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from the United States. What's inside? Let's find out. Aha! So I don't know if you've seen them, you may have seen them around, and they're really good. They're these packs and bowls, and it's called Choi Restaurant Quality Chicken Ramen, and it's really good. It's like if you took like a South Korean ramen and you mixed it with a chicken instant noodle and they had a baby, and it was a really like high quality baby. Okay, it's really good stuff, and I really like it. And now they've got some new stuff, and that's what just came. And here it is. These are Sriracha cups, and it might look familiar. I don't know if it's a rebranding or whatnot, but if it's the same Sriracha product as I had previously, it's really good. But these are branded as Choi Sriracha cups. So let's crack one out and have a look. So here's the original, and the cup is like super deep, like Corvette red. I really like it. I don't know why, but I really like the cups. They're very red. There is the lid. And the other variety is this one, and this is the chicken flavor, and this looks more like the Choi product I'm used to, with the yellow packaging and the logo right here. And if it's like a spicy sriracha tangy version of that, then I'm thrilled, because I really liked that Choi ramen. Well, thank you very much to the nice folks over at United Exchange Corporation who sent this over. Yeah, these could be contenders. I'm really excited, so I'll be trying them soon. And be on the lookout for that review and these at your local stores. So hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.